Let's eat Mexican food.
I'm official. I have a mic now. First things first is we're definitely having a margarita. The limon flavor is definitely there. Mukbangs coming soon. Fire. Don't be shy. You bought me the mic. They have 3 different options of guacamole. One with corn, one with pico, and one with chicharrón and cebolla. Tacos de carne asada. Quesadilla de carne asada. We're gonna go ahead and give the guacamole with chicharrón and limon a try. And I got myself a quesadilla with the consomme. Let's dip it. Give it a dip. I think you were talking about this spot. This is fire. Out of all the ones I've tried, I think this one is good. The consomme is nice and thick. It's not watery. It has flavor. Stop looking at me like I'm crazy, kid. It's super hot. But it's so good. One more time. This was not scripted. Louis just said he's gonna sign up to Ninja Warrior. Anybody that knows Louis, can you imagine him on Ninja Warrior? You almost made me joke. So I would give Señor de los Tacos a 9 out of 10. And only because they had white rice and black beans. Bye.
Let me know if you would like more of this content.